So we enter the shop. Hello!
Welcome to ShopRite Supermarket.
Thank you so much. This is Ajo, the owner of one of the finest African shops in Toronto, Canada. ShopRite African Supermarket. She is very busy and spends almost all the 7 days working. You can imagine how difficult it is to run a shop. It really needs time. As the saying goes, we must have a pie. Stress cannot exist in the presence of a pie. Therefore, she finds means in her busiest times to cook. These are her ingredients she's gonna be using for her food. I was there to experience what she goes through every Sunday morning and also to learn these amazing tips she uses to prepare these foods. It is Sunday morning and she has so many foods going on prepared. She's making something for the kids, the husband, and herself. Sundays are all about spending time with family and friends over a delicious, comforting meal. She started with a bean stew comprising a blended ingredients, which is the mix of garlic, ginger, onion, pepper, and then adds her corned beef and mackerel to it, whilst having a gardeners on the stove for another meal in case the family gets bored over eating the same bean stew during the week. The garden eggs require different ingredients from the bean stew, and that is what she's demonstrating to you now. You first put your highly salted fish. Blend your onion, garlic and pepper. Add it to your heated oil. It's not time to add the beans.
What the fry nature say? When you look at cry, when you look at Crasa, and it Abumuno Afra, come. They meet you try, you know.
Back to the garden eggs. It's time to add the dried salted fish. She adds tomato paste to it. Ajua loves her tradition, and so she grinds her garden oils in earthenware. And then add the garden eggs, the grounded garden eggs, to the stew. And she doesn't forget her salt. She adds a pinch of salt to the stew. It's now time for the yam. She cleans the yam by washing it.
Face to Tbsp.
Ajo loves eggs, She doesn't do away with eggs because the garden eggs go with eggs.
Pancake, I'm a woman.
Ajoy is a mother of two. Their kids are up and their pancakes are also being prepared. The yam is well cooked and it's time to drain the water out of it. It took Ajo a bit longer time to prepare these 3 foods at one time, but finally, all the foods are done.